Hey guys, Stacy Smiley here. I'm so excited. I just got my Kellofaplan sticker book order for the new release. I didn't order her planner, but I did order the new stickers that go with the planner because I really like the way they look. They are so pretty. I was not expecting this today. It actually said it wasn't supposed to be here till tomorrow, so I can't even tell you how excited I am. And of course, I gotta show you guys my goodies. If I can rip this open. Watch Stacy struggle trying to open a package. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, it's pretty. It's so pretty. Ooh. Monthly Florals 2023 planner set by Kellofaplan. And this one is Weekly Florals 2023. I love blue. I like the flowers. And as most of you know, Kel loves flowers and stripes, stripes and flowers. Alright, so I'll do a quick flip through here with you guys. This is the weekly. Hopefully you can see all this. And this looks like it's all on clear. This one's on paper. So very pretty. I'm so excited. Seasonal stickers. Please. Like I said, I want to do this kind of fast. I'm not really going to talk through it because I'm sure most of you guys have watched others, or you may have even watched Kellofaplan to go through her flip through. So these are clear on white background paper, clear white background paper. As you notice, these colors match the page before. And these will match the next page. Clear paper. Oh, I am loving these colors. I'm actually really excited to use this. Oops. These are pretty. Pretty mauve colors. Pink and green. Ooh, October. Oh, those did really turn out pretty. Nice job, Kel. So pretty. Ooh, I really like the dark blue on here too. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. Christmassy. These actually look different from the video as well. They're just a little lighter than what the video seems to show them as. I really like it. And there's that one. Alright, so now we'll flip to the monthly florals. Ooh, lots of boxes. I am happy about this. And florals. And again, these are going to match because of the month matching. This part will go to the pages before. This will go to the pages below. And of course, boxes to match. Solid and florals. Ooh, I love these color combinations. Ooh, no, those are different. They actually look good together, believe it or not. Ooh, this one's a little more bold. But it works. Oops. Flowers. Of course, these are on white and the flowers are on clear. So pretty. More bold colors. Lots of bold in the summer months. This has got to be one of my favorite color combos. I really like that. Really pretty. This looks like fall. Oh yeah, definitely fall. Oh, so pretty. like the blues. And then the pretty Christmas colors. Boy. And this is going to be beautiful. So with that, just to give you an idea, weekly and monthly. Very pretty. Very pretty. Oh, I'm so excited. Can't wait to share them with you guys in my layouts. They may be coming before 2023, just so you know. Alright guys, have a great day. Thanks for sharing with me. Click like if you like it. Subscribe if you want to keep seeing more videos. And have a great day. Remember, keep smiling. Bye.